Alexa, stop! Alexa, what time is it?
It's 12:48 p.m.
Oh, shit, I'm late. I'm late. No. Oh! What the hell? Chewie! What in God's name is that thing stuck in the shower drain? How many times have we discussed this, Chewie? Whenever you take a shower, you have to clean out all of the hair that sticks to the tub. Then what were you doing? Oh, come on, Chewie! That's disgusting! First off, I do not need to know what you do with your private time in our shared bathroom. Secondly, how the hell do you even manscape? You're so hairy, you would grow it back in 10 minutes. No. No. I am Groot. Sorry, Groot. I'm late for my audition. Go clean it up. Right now.
Chewy Chats.